In this lesson we're going to look at the chemical test for chlorine, and to produce our chlorine we're going to use the electrolysis of concentrated sodium chloride solution. Now we're not really interested in the process of electrolysis here. You can have a look at that in the section on electrochemistry. All we want to do here is produce chlorine and see what the test is. So we're going to connect up the electrodes. We've got the anode here and the negative cathode, so chlorine will be released at the anode. Let's say we're going to get chlorine gas given off, and what we're going to do is we're going to test that gas coming off of the anode. So to do that we're going to take some yellow indicator paper. There we're going to moisten the indicator paper so that it can absorb the gas, and we'll hold it near to the anode and see what happens to the indicator paper. Okay, the first thing you can notice is that the indicator paper turns a pink colour, and we'll have a think about why that happens in a minute, and after that it will turn white, indicating the characteristic bleaching action of chlorine on the indicator dyes. Okay, so let's have a look and see why that happens. So first of all, the chlorine is reacting with water on the indicator paper, so we've got chlorine gas reacts with water to produce HClO, which is known as chloric 1 acid, and also hydrochloric acid. Okay, so in this test it is the hydrochloric acid which initially causes the indicator paper to go red, and it is the chloric 1 acid which causes the red indicator paper to become bleached, that is to say, to go white. Right, so this causes the bleaching. Okay, so we can briefly summarize this by saying that the test for chlorine is that chlorine bleaches moist indicator paper. It goes from yellow to white. It will also bleach either blue or red litmus paper to white, and that is the action of this chloric acid present when the chlorine dissolves in the water.